I've been asked before if I'm going on vacation and I need a Havdalah candle. Havdalah is a candle has 2 wicks. How do I create a Havdalah candle easy and simply? Or a Yaknehaz candle, where it's a candle, the same thing as a Havdalah candle, same idea. Watch, I will show you how to make a 30-second Havdalah or Yaknehaz candle. It's really simple. I hope you enjoy.
So here we go. I have a tea light, and what I'm going to do, start your timer, 30 seconds. I'm going to pull the tea light out. I'm going to pry off the bottom. I'm going to put this down and pull this off. Now I have a wick. I'm going to cut the wick in half. Now I have 2 tiny wicks. I don't know if you can see them. So I'm going to take those 2 wicks, and now if you see on the top, it's a really small hole. On the bottom, it's a nice and thick hole. I'm going to take those 2 wicks. I'm going to shove them in there. And since on the bottom it's a thicker hole, I shove in nice and easy. And all you need is for that candle to be lit for just a few moments. Now I have a 2-wick candle. Stick it in here, and I'm ready to go. I hope you learned something. You could check up over here how I made this beautiful, gigantic sukkah in about 30 minutes. It took me to assemble this ginormous sukkah. See some of my other videos, subscribe over here, and I hope you enjoy.